Entire country is witnessing increasing incidents of violent attacks, destruction of public property, and protests against the Agnipath recruitment scheme for the armed forces. Owing to the widespread protests, the Home Ministry on Saturday announced that 10% of all vacancies in the Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPF, and the Assam Rifles will be reserved for the Agniveers who complete 4 years of service under the Agnipath scheme. The 10% reservation announced is in addition to the existing 10% quota for ex-servicemen in CAPFs. The ministry also announced a 5-year age relaxation for the first batch of Agniveers. The Ministry of Home Affairs announced these additions via a tweet which read, "The MHA also decides to give 3 years age relaxation beyond the prescribed upper age limit to Agniveers for recruitment in CAPFs and Assam Rifles. Further, for the first batch of Agniveers, the age relaxation will be for 5 years beyond the prescribed upper age limit." The Agnipath short-term recruitment scheme was announced on June 15th and would be the only mode of recruitment for soldiers, airmen and sailors. The scheme provides for the retention of 25% of the recruits for regular service after serving for 4 years in the armed forces. As soon as the scheme was announced, youngsters who wished to join the armed forces took to the streets and widespread protests against the scheme began all over the country. Section 144 was imposed in many districts on Friday owing to the increased instances of violence. CAPFs comprise the Central Reserve Police Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Border Security Force, Sashastra Seema Bal, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force that are under the administrative and operational control of the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Assam Rifles deployed along the Myanmar border is under the administrative control of the MHA.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.